Alright, so we're gonna make some easy orange chicken today. You're gonna take 1 egg. You're gonna add about a tablespoon or so of water. You're gonna whisk that good. Then you're gonna take some flour, about 4 to 5 tablespoons or so, and some pepper, some salt. Also, I have some Flavor God Everything seasoning, so I added that in there. And I took about a tablespoon or so of Panko crumbs, and I mixed that in there too. Took a big old chicken breast, cut that into squares. Then I took that and I added it into my egg wash and then my flour mix. And I set that aside. You're going to do that for every single one. Once you do that, then you're going to take some oil, fill it up on a pan, and you're going to add each and one in there. I like to check the bottom of the chicken just to see if it browns. Once it is browned on the bottom, then I will flip it on over to the other side and repeat. Once they are all done, then I will take them out to the side and put them on a paper towel. Then I will take my easy chicken flavored rice that I warmed up. And I took about 10 pieces of those chicken nuggets and I put them onto the side and drenched them in some orange chicken sauce. And I tossed them around, make sure they're covered all the way through. And I dumped that on the side into another container. So then I also made a side of teriyaki noodles too. So I took the fried rice that I had warmed up, set that aside, and I put a scoop or so in there. Then I added the noodles and you just top it off with the orange chicken. There you go. You have your Panda Express bowl.